To establish relations between tables, we have to enforce foreign key constraint. Now, we want to mark gender ID column in TBL person as foreign key of TBL gender. In SQL Server Management Studio, we can do it either using UI or using SQL query. Before that, let's populate our tables with some data. To do that, right-click on the table and hit Edit Top 200 rows. Enter some sample data in tables. Let's do the same for TBL person. Look, John's gender ID is 1. So, basically John is male as per TBL gender. Let's add some more data. Look, when I add 99 as gender ID, it is accepted without any restriction. However, TBL gender does not contain any gender with this ID. It means this data is incorrect and database integrity is lost. To resolve this issue and maintain database integrity, we have to identify and enforce foreign key constraints between these two tables. When it's done, it will not allow this invalid value. Let's add null in this column for time being, as we have already defined nullable in our previous sessions. Close both tables. In TBL person table, I want to mark gender ID as foreign key. To do that, right-click on the table and hit Design. Right-click on Gender ID column and hit Relationships. Foreign Key Relationships window popped up. Click Add. You can see tables and column specification. Click on Ellipses button. This where you have to tell which one is primary table and which one is foreign key table. Select TBL gender for primary key table and hit its primary key, which is ID. Select TBL person for foreign key table and hit its foreign key column, which is gender ID. Hit OK. Now when you will close and save table, this column will be marked as foreign key constraint. For now, I am not saving these changes. Let's do the same procedure using SQL query. So here is its query. Alter table TBL person, add constraint, and then the name of this constraint. Foreign key gender ID of TBL person, referencing table TBL genders ID column. Press F5 or hit execute. Command completed successfully. Right-click TBL person and hit modify. You should see exactly the same work here. All primary key and foreign key tables are select with their respective IDs. So now, if you try to enter an invalid value other than these values, then it will throw an error. Let's add 99 and click here. It will throws foreign key constraint violation. So, foreign key constraint is used to maintain database integrity by preventing invalid data insertion.